Alright, hello and what is up guys? After getting killed a couple times, getting my car shot at and beaten up and me crashing and getting chased by the cops, we're finally gonna go to Bernie's shop and customize this crappy car to see the transformation and how good we can make it.
What am I doing for you?
Alright, let's
Looking better
fix
in
this
a
up
minute
real
ago.
quick. Let's upgrade. Do that. Alright, for the brakes, let's just max upgrade this car. Why not, right? Alright, let's go with the last one.
Heads.
Let's go with these. Um, hmm. See, I already have a blue car and a white car, so let's go with let's go green.
Get Jack now.
Alright. Guess that doesn't really matter, let's just do that. Or it does matter. Put those on there. Alright, now let's go to the engine. Fresho. Alright. Alright. Let's go to exhaust. Put it all the way up. We're just gonna max upgrade this car because we can do that. Alright. Well, I usually like keeping the normal horn, so let's keep that. Hydraulics, let's put that all the way up.
Gonna bounce all right.
Interior. Um, hmm. Let's go with the striped tiger. Trim color. Is it trim? That says trim. Alright, let's do green. Let's find green. Alright. Oh, let's do this one. Let's put this little green guy right here. Hmm. Let's put this. Steering wheel. I would have to go with this one. Let's go with this because it's green.
That blue shift.
Let's do San Andreas. Light color. Let's see. Right there. Alright. Let's go to lights, headlights. No, neon lights. Wait, did I? Alright. Neon lights. Alright, let's do that. Let's look for green. Alright, this lime green, make green, lime green. Let's go with lime green. Livery. Ew, let's see this. Alright, that looks fresh. So let's just go with this.
That's some handiwork.
Alright, we got that. I'll go with this
Got
one.
your plate holder.
I'll just pick a random one. And let's make this that color. Primary color. See how chrome looks. Okay, let's not do that. What color goes good? I just leave it at like, huh. I guess we could just leave it at black, cause I mean, what else goes good with green? Hmm. Let's go with this one. Alright, Let's go to secondary. Alright.
All fitted.
Let's do lowriders, and then we'll do the chrome dollar sign.
Don't she look pretty?
Alright.
Tires got armor now.
Let's go with green tire smoke. Change it all the way. Can I not change this thing though? I guess let's leave it like this. So, yep, this is the car, guys. Let's go take it for a ride. See the difference. Let's go this way. Definitely a lot faster. Let's use the hydraulics. See how good the hops are. It has a lot of good hops. Alright, let's bring this thing back home. Alright, let's see if we can make it go home a little quicker, because when I see the other cars, I can show you guys the other cars that I have. Ooh, wasn't paying attention. Pretty nice little car. Alright, we are almost home, so let's see if I don't get killed trying to go inside my house. Someone wants to arm wrestle me. I might do it. Alright, let's go in here. Alright, we'll look at my other cars. Like this one, looks pretty cool. Nice little car, look at the interior. I mean, can't really see it. I mean, how they've been the car out, but that's that one. And then my last one, I'm gonna make this car all Bernie's cars, so little nice cars. Anyways, thanks for watching, and stay up to date for later videos.